Hello. In this video, we will show you the procedure for installing the Sunny Highpower PEAK3. For all work on the device, the instructions in the valid operating manual and all safety notices must be observed. Before starting the installation, make sure that the prerequisites and requirements for the installation site are met. Make sure that all materials and tools that are additionally required, such as the profile rail and screwdriver, are ready and meet the requirements. Since we are preparing the device for training at the Solar Academy, some information or actions may differ slightly from real-life situations. Mark the positions for all mounting brackets. Then hang the mounting brackets onto the mounting rail. Secure them with the designated screws. For precise positioning, use the mounting template. This ensures that all connections will be correctly aligned later. Now align the cables using the mounting template. If necessary, you can shorten them. Check the connection plate to make sure the seal is present and undamaged. Install the cable gland as shown. Then feed the cables through the glands. Now you can align the connection plate using the mounting template, and then remove the template. Screw the transport handles all the way into the threaded holes on the right and left sides. Make sure that the transport handles are screwed into the threaded holes without tilting. Insert a screwdriver into the holes in the transport handle and turn it 90 degrees. This ensures that the transport handles are securely tightened. If you want to hang the device using lifting equipment, screw the eye bolts into the threads on the top of the inverter and attach the lifting equipment to them. Unscrew the screws from the housing cover and remove the cover. Hang the device onto the mounting brackets. Make sure that the cables protrude through the opening into the product and that the connection plate is positioned below the opening. Secure the inverter on the sides to the mounting brackets using the designated screws. Then remove all 4 transport handles. Finally, attach the connection plate to the housing with 3 screws. The installation of the Sunny Highpower PEAK3 is now complete. We hope this video was able to help answer your questions. If you need further assistance, check out more tech tips on our channel or leave your questions in the comments below this video. If you want to always see the latest tech tips for SMA products, then subscribe to our channel.